Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to repeat tasks every month in Asana. So basically what you're going to do here is you just have to open your Asana and then look for the specific task right here. For example, under this workspace, I'm going to tap this task and I want to create a recurring or a repeat task. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the date option right here and then scroll down and tap on this icon. So basically, this is how you create repeat tasks or recurring tasks. You can set the task into weekly, monthly, yearly, periodically. You can also custom this one right here. And then below, you can check the box if you want to repeat the task every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And basically, that's it. All you have to do is to click this icon right here and then set your task to repeat task. Then you can set this one to every month. You can choose again another task right here and same thing, you have to look for the date option, which is this one. And then you scroll down and look for this icon and you just have to go to this area right here, select monthly or month, and then change or tap Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. Now, important notes, recurring tasks or repeat tasks will only appear in your calendar or timeline for the next occurrence. When you mark a recurring task as complete, Asana will automatically create the next instance based on your recurring settings. If you need more complex recurrence patterns, you can select every Monday of the month. Consider using Asana's custom recurrence options or third-party integration. So basically, that's how easy it is to repeat tasks every month in Asana. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.